The detailed differences between conventional and addressable fire alarm panels. Fire alarm systems play a critical role in protecting lives and property. Among the most common types are conventional and addressable fire alarm panels. While both serve the same fundamental purpose, detecting fire and alerting occupants, the way they operate, communicate, and are maintained differs significantly. Understanding these differences is essential for engineers, technicians, and even building owners when choosing the right system. 1. Basic concept and operation. A conventional fire alarm system divides a building into multiple zones. Each zone represents a specific area, such as a floor or section of a building. When a detector or manual call point is activated, the control panel indicates the zone where the alarm occurred, but not the exact device. In contrast, an addressable fire alarm system assigns a unique address to every device in the system. This means the control panel can identify the exact location of the triggered detector, such as Room 305 smoke detector. 2. Wiring and installation. Conventional systems use simple wiring, typically arranged in radial circuits. Each zone requires separate wiring, which can lead to a large number of cables in bigger buildings. Addressable systems use loop wiring, often called a signaling line circuit. Multiple devices are connected on the same loop, significantly reducing the amount of wiring required. This makes installation cleaner and often more efficient in large-scale projects. 3. Accuracy of detection. One of the biggest limitations of conventional systems is limited location accuracy. When an alarm is triggered, responders must search the entire zone to find the source. Addressable systems offer precise identification. The panel shows exactly which device has been activated, saving valuable time during emergencies and allowing faster response. 4. System intelligence. Conventional panels operate with basic logic, essentially detecting whether a circuit is open or closed. Addressable systems are much more intelligent. They can monitor the status of each device, detect faults or contamination in detectors, provide pre-alarm warnings, adjust sensitivity levels in some advanced models. This makes addressable systems more suitable for complex environments. 5. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Maintenance in conventional systems can be time-consuming. If there's a fault, technicians must inspect the entire zone to locate the issue. With addressable systems, troubleshooting becomes much easier. The panel pinpoints the exact device with a fault, reducing maintenance time and labor costs. 6. Scalability and flexibility. Conventional systems are generally suitable for small buildings, such as shops, small offices, or residential properties. Expanding the system often requires adding new zones and additional wiring. Addressable systems are highly scalable. Adding new devices is simpler and does not require major rewiring. This makes them ideal for large buildings, such as hospitals, airports, and commercial complexes. 7. Cost considerations. At first glance, conventional systems are more affordable due to lower equipment costs and simpler technology. However, addressable systems, while initially more expensive, can be more cost-effective in the long run due to reduced wiring, easier maintenance, faster fault detection, greater efficiency in large installations. 8. Typical applications. Conventional systems, small buildings, low-risk environments, limited budgets. Addressable systems, high-rise buildings, industrial facilities, hospitals, and large commercial projects. Conclusion. Both conventional and addressable fire alarm panels have their place in fire safety systems. The choice depends on factors such as building size, complexity, budget, and required level of protection. If simplicity and low cost are the priority, conventional systems may be sufficient. But for enhanced accuracy, advanced features, and long-term efficiency, addressable systems are clearly the better option. In modern fire safety design, addressable systems are increasingly becoming the standard offering. Smarter, faster, and more reliable protection when it matters most.